Hi, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes, and check out this green meanie, Kawasaki ZX636R. These are a proper Supersport bike for the road. They handle fantastic. This is the 636cc version with loads of mid-range. It's a 2014 64 plate. It's done 2,430 miles from new, that's all. And it's absolutely immaculate. These come with a Nissan brakes, the Showa fully adjustable forks. It's also got a tail tidy and a Leovinci Superbike titanium exhaust. It's so clean, it's just gorgeous. I'll crack it up for you to hear it running. It's got power modes and adjustable traction control, and it's also got these little protectors here. That's it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully you'll like it. If you do, give us a call and snap it up. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.